I'm Dr. D. Vijayalakshmi. I'm honored to state that I'm an alumni of this prestigious institution with 20 years of teaching experience. I'm happy and privileged to share about our department profile, vision, mission, and value of the department. The vision of the department to enrich the mathematical and analytical skill of our students, to produce quality mathematical science researchers, to emphasize the students to apply the theoretical mathematics to bring out them as mathematical models. Mission of our department to inculcate moral and ethical values among the students, upgrade the students' knowledge to meet the academic challenges, to equip the students with necessary mathematical tools to meet the competitive global environment. The value of the department, 100% employability and excellence in research. Brief history about our department. The Department of Mathematics was started as a pre-university course in the year 1973. BSc Mathematics was started in the year 1978 and MSc Mathematics in the year 1982. In order to enhance the research activities among the students' community, part-time MPhil and PhD research program was established in the year 2000. In order to meet out the additional requirement of the students' community, BSc Mathematics and MSc Mathematics under self-financing scheme was started in the year 2004 and 2017 respectively. The certificate courses offered in the department: postgraduate diploma in operation research, Python programming, statistical tools using R programming. Milestones of our department. Our department is consecutively organizing international conference on current scenario in pure and applied mathematics, various MOU, overall best department for UG, PG research, then e-journal, literary competitions, then highly we have collaborated with many international universities. Milestones of the department. Every year we organize international conference by inviting eminent mathematicians from various countries since from the year 2018. We, the Department of Mathematics, received the Best Department Award for Tamil Literary Competitions consecutively from the academic year 2009-10 to 2014-15 and also in the year 2016-17 and 2018-19. We received the Best UG Department for the academic years 2014-15 and 15-16. The Meritorious Award for 100% Result for BSc Mathematics in the academic year 2014-15 and MSc Mathematics in the academic year 17-18 and 18-19. We, the Department of Mathematics, received the Best UG, Best PG, Best Research and Best Overall Best Department Awards for the academic year 2019-20. Dr. M. Venkatachalam served as a resource person and delivered a lecture in the international conference organized by University of Jember at Indonesia. A number of ongoing MPhil research 8 and PhD 25 awarded 150 MPhil scholars and 32 PhD has been awarded. Number of major minor projects completed by our department faculty members are 6. The crown of our departments are 23, 11 serving in our aided department and 12 in our unaided department. Among 23 faculty members, 19 are PhD holders. This is one of the proud thing of a department, and 4 faculty members are MPhil. They are also at present, they are also pursuing PhD, and 6 members are set qualified. Areas of specialization in research: topology, graph theory, differential equations, control theory, solid mechanics, mathematical image processing, stability analysis and operation research. So this is staff profile. Dr. V. Gokilavani, heading our department with 14 years of experience and her area of specialization is general topology. Then Dr. V. Rajendran, assistant professor, heading the department of unaided stream with 80 years of experience and his area of specialization is topology. Employability, a set of achievements, skills, understandings and personal attributes that makes graduates more likely to gain employment and to be successful in their chosen occupations, which benefits themselves, the workforce, the community and the economy. We offer mostly the employability courses in our curriculum like statistics, mechanics, fluid dynamics, fuzzy logic and neural networks, programming in C, graph theory, and many other papers. Research activities. Research is a combination of both experience and reasoning and must be regarded as most successful approach to the discovery of truth. Interest in educational research has vastly increased in recent years. It is now realized that research is necessary in order to provide a basis for educational planning and to assess the effects of such planning. So far, our staff members contributed 282 papers. It has been published in various peer-reviewed international journals and 26 papers in national journal as a total of 308 papers for the past 5 years. And we have presented papers in various reputed institutions, in the international and national conferences, with 58 papers internationally and 28 papers in the national conferences as a total of 82 papers. We have attended international conference as a total of 29 and national 168. So the conferences organized by our department for the past 5 years, national level 2, international level 2 and state level 4. Citations, I'm very happy and proud to say that our department staff members has very large number of citations in the Scopus 60 and Google Scholar 300, total citations of 250 in Scopus and 801 in Google Scholar with the average H index 1.18 and 4.09. This is one of the important achievement of our department staff members. Our department organized a state level workshop on application of statistical tools using SPSS on hands-on experience from 11 to 2016 to 12 to 2016 in order to understand the emerging topics on SPSS and its application. We also organized a national level conference on the combination of pure and applied mathematics in the commemoration of Srinivasa Ramanujam on December 22nd and 23rd to share the expertise knowledge among the students community. We invited the great expert Dr. K. Balachandran sir for inaugurating the national level conference. Also, we organized a one-day workshop on LaTeX. So the LaTeX is a software which is used for research community in order to write the effective thesis and research paper using LaTeX. A hands-on training was imposed to the students in order to gain knowledge how to write the effective thesis and research paper. I'm very proud to say that we, the Department of Mathematics, organized an international conference on current scenario in pure and applied mathematics, ICC SPAM, which is sponsored by Indian Science Congress Association, Coimbatore chapter. The resource persons we invited from Turkey and India, Dr. Ismail Nazi Gangel from Uldag University, Turkey, Hasim Mehmet Baskinos from Munzur University, Turkey, Dr. K. Balachandran, a notable person from Bharatiya University, Coimbatore, and Dr. V. Lokesha from BSK University, Karnataka. This is the first international conference conducted by our department on current scenario in pure and applied mathematics, ICC SPAM 2018. Followed by the first international conference, we organized the second international conference on current scenario in pure and applied mathematics, ICC SPAM 2019. We invited the eminent personalities, Dr. S. Jiva Satyathesar from University Tunku, Abdul Rahman, Malaysia, Dr. Sunil Jacob John, NIT Turk Calicut, Dr. G. Jayapar Pisaradi, Youth College, Kanyakumari. In this occasion, a special issue of American International Journal of Research in Science, Technology, Engineering and Mathematics, which is an UGC approved journal containing 57 research articles, was released. The same was also released in online as an e-journal. This was also one of the greatest achievement of Department of Mathematics. Details of special issues of international journals, which is highly indexed in UGC, Web of Science, Scopus Index journals, Journal of Informatics and Mathematical Science, which is indexed in Web of Science. Communications Faculty of Science, University of Ankara series, A1 Mathematics and Statistics, which is indexed in Web of Science, and an American International Journal, an International Journal of Physics, which is a Scopus indexed journal. The articles were published in the special issues of international journals. Followed by the international conferences, we conducted a one-day national seminar on applications of mathematics in physical science. Also, a seminar on applications of mathematics, collaborations with international institutions. Collaboration enables the researchers to access additional, specific expertise and gain new perspectives on research and build relationship with others in the field, which for early stage researchers can be key to career development. So we, the Department of Mathematics, highly collaborated with many international universities like Bursa Uldag University, Turkey, University of Moulay Ismail, then Haran University, University of Polytechnia Catalonia, Virginia Military Institute, University of Jember, Indonesia, the University of Newcastle, Australia, University de Santiago de Compostela, University of Dansk. So these are some of the collaborations which our staff members are undergoing, and research papers are published through international collaboration with various universities. I'm very proud to say that list of countries of our collaborated institutions, countries like Japan, Denmark, Morocco, Brazil, South Africa, Turkey, Australia, Indonesia, Spain, Saudi Arabia, Taiwan, USA, Nigeria, Korea, China, Portugal, Romania, Poland. Achievement is the fundamental key to success. Academic success is important because it directly decides the positive outcomes of the students after graduation. Our students, we are proud to say that we, the Department of Mathematics students, highly secure the highest CGPA scores among our institution. Our student, one of our student, Atul, he got 10 out of 10 CGPA in the year 2018-19. Also, our students and faculties of Department of Mathematics attained the victory in the Ramanujam Institute for Advanced Study in Mathematics, University of Madras. Students won overall trophy in national level intercollegiate meet at Pollachi. Swayam is a program initiated by the Government of India and designed to achieve the three principles of education: access, equity, and quality. The objective is to take the best teaching resources to all.